Welcome to Tech Talk. I'm Jenn Bell, your technology advisor, and today I'm here with Chris Bell, our infrastructure engineer, who's going to talk a little bit about what he does here at TeamLogic IT.
Thanks, Jen. As Jen mentioned, I am the infrastructure engineer here at TeamLogic IT. I am the person that does all the structured cabling in the office spaces. Also, I'm the person that does a lot of the physical installations of wireless access points, networking hardware, as well as a lot of AV work in conference rooms, especially with all the needs for Zoom rooms and Teams rooms and all the video conferencing.
Thank you, Chris. If you'd like to learn more, please reach out today. Until next time.